Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 34. In this lesson you will focus on speaking practice. Asking someone for permission is an important skill. Here are some expressions we can use. Is it okay if I watch TV? Do you think I could make a cup of coffee? Would you mind if I invite a friend for dinner? Now, use the table to make sentences asking for permission. Imagine you are staying with a family. You want to do these things. Ask for permission politely. Some answers you can use. Is it okay if I use the washing machine? Do you mind if I have a shower? Do you think I could make a cup of coffee? Would you mind if I turn down the heating? Do you think I could use the phone? Expressing opinions. You can use these words and expressions to give your opinion. Can you put each word in the correct column? Imagine you're going to an English school in another country. You are staying with a family. Use the topics in the next exercise with the expressions you have just learnt to text your friend about your experience.